Welcome to Easy English World.
Welcome to Easy English World. Today's topic is powerful and life-changing. Speak English fluently without grammar. Do you feel afraid of grammar rules? Do you stop speaking because you think your English is not perfect? Don't worry. Today's conversation will help you speak naturally, confidently, and fluently, just like real life. Let's begin.
Hello, Sophia. Welcome. Please have a seat.
Thank you, James. I'm a little, nervous today.
That's completely okay. Take a deep breath. This is not a test. It's just a conversation.
That makes me feel better.
Good. So tell me, why do you want to improve your English?
I want to speak English fluently. Not perfectly, just naturally. Sometimes I know words, but I stop because I think about grammar too much.
Ah, yes. That's very common. Many learners have the same problem. Let me ask you something important. Do you think children learn grammar first or speaking first?
Speaking first.
Exactly. So maybe we are learning in the wrong way. Tell me honestly, what happens in your mind when you try to speak English?
I think, is this sentence correct? Should I use past tense? Is this grammar right? And then I stop speaking.
And how do you feel in that moment?
Frustrated and embarrassed.
That's very real. Thank you for being honest. Let me share something with you. Fluency is not about perfect grammar. Fluency is about flow, speaking without stopping too much.
Eyes widen slightly. Flow. I like that word.
Yes, think of a river. A river flows. It doesn't stop to check if it's perfect.
That's beautiful.
Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I met a man from Brazil. His grammar was not perfect at all. He would say things like, "I go yesterday market. I very happy meet you." But you know what? Everyone understood him.
Really?
Yes, and he spoke confidently. He didn't stop. He didn't apologize. People enjoyed talking to him.
I think I do the opposite. I say, "Sorry, my English is bad."
And that kills your confidence.
Yes.
Let me ask you a deeper question. Why do you think you need perfect grammar to speak?
Pause. Thinking. Because I don't want people to judge me.
That's very honest. But let me ask another question. When someone speaks broken English to you, do you judge them?
No, not really. I actually respect them.
Exactly. So why are you so hard on yourself?
I never thought about it like that.
Let's do a simple exercise. Don't think about grammar, just speak. Tell me about your morning today.
Okay. Today morning, I wake up late because I sleep late last night. Then I drink tea and I check my phone. Too much.
That's great.
Really? It's not correct.
It doesn't matter. I understand everything. Now, let's improve it slightly, not perfectly. Today morning to this morning. I wake up to I woke up. But you see, you were already communicating.
Oh, I see. So speaking comes first. Correction comes later.
Exactly.
Can I say something honestly?
Of course.
Sometimes I feel scared to speak English in public. People speak fast, and I feel small.
That feeling is very human. Let me tell you something important. Confidence does not come first. Speaking comes first. Confidence comes after.
Quietly. That's powerful.
Okay, let's do a challenge. Imagine you're at an airport. You need help. No grammar thinking, just speak. Ready?
Okay, I'll try.
Excuse me, how can I help you?
Hello? I need help. I miss my flight, and I don't know what to do.
Very good. Continue.
I need new ticket. Maybe today, or tomorrow. I don't know.
Excellent communication. Now look, was it perfect grammar?
No.
But was it effective?
Yes!
So, what did you learn today?
Pause. I learned that I don't need perfect grammar to speak. I need courage and practice.
Beautiful answer. What will you change from today?
I will stop saying sorry for my English. I will just speak.
That's a big step. Sophia, you did an amazing job today.
Thank you. I feel more confident now. Really.
That's what matters. Remember, English is not about perfection. It's about connection.
I will remember that.
If you want to speak English fluently, remember this. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Speak more, think less. Every time you speak, you improve. Even simple sentences can change your life. Start today, speak today, because fluency is not built in silence. It is built in speaking.